Let's jump into the Franchise Insights report. So I really like these reports. So this is the March Startup Sentiment Index. This came out, I believe, yesterday. So this is as current as it gets for this most current report. And what they were asking is the question that was asked, is now a good time to start a business? And 69.3% in March, 69.3% of the respondents said that they agree or strongly agree with that. So that's a high number, and you can, if we trace along to the left here, it's the highest number since February of 2020. So right before the pandemic took hold, and then you see the drop here about now being a good time or not. So I think that's a really interesting report. And here is the full report. So it was April 7th. So that was, I'm looking at my clock here. So that was 2 days ago. Today's the 9th. So that was 2 days ago that this report came out. And so we talked through this here. Outlook on business conditions continues to improve. So I think that this is really interesting. So business conditions seen as getting better. So I know that this is kind of messy. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so it's a little bigger on your screen. But this should show here that this green bar is asking, are business conditions getting better or much better? So you look at this green bar. This is the one we want to follow. Is it getting better or much better? That's some pretty, I think that tells us that there's some serious optimism that's going on with prospective business owners. These are folks that are thinking about opening a business, whether they're starting their own business or buying a franchise. This is the people that are thinking about it right now. And it is the highest, look at you look at the number here. It's 57.7% have that they're looking at. You can follow the green bar. It was high in April of 2020 here, that it peaked based on this chart here, but you can see that it's about the same. And look at worse or much worse. The worse or much worse is very low. So that's the other thing you can take a look at. Outside of January and February of 2020, it's the lowest number. It's that orange color there in the group. So again, just I think an overall good sign. How likely are you to start a business now compared to 3 months ago? So much or more likely is the bright green, about the same as the dark green. Less likely is the blue, and much less likely is the red. So I think this is a really neat indicator as well. You see it's trending up here again. So optimism is high, and I think that's a good thing.